I don't think it's working.
Yeah, let's stop that.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. We are in the middle of testing season. Today was Sunshine's second day of testing. So how was testing today, Sunshine?
I had to write a lot. I had to write 2 whole essays, so it took me a long time, but I really like it.
So it took a long time. Why did it take a long time?
Because I had to do 2 essays and some other multiple choice and writing response.
I thought yesterday you had to write essays. You had to write essays again today?
You have to write essays like every single day.
2 tests of essays. That's too many essays.
Probably
So-
during math we're going to do an essay.
So in our family, to help deal with the stress of testing, we do fun activities every day that there's testing. So Sunshine, what did you pick to do today?
Blizzards.
Blizzards. We're going to Dairy Queen?
No, we're going to make them at home.
We're gonna make blizzards at home, guys.
I'm going to make an Eminem Blizzard.
You're gonna make M&Ms. So I have searched all over the internet, and it would appear that blizzards are made with ice cream and toppings. So I don't have a way to mix that. What we're gonna do is get a bowl and mix it by hand, maybe with a hand mixer. We're gonna see how this goes, and we'll let you guys watch so you can enjoy our failure or success, and maybe you can make homemade blizzards at your house.
And
Ready to get started?
And we're going to try it at the end. Oops,
Oh yes,
sorry.
we're gonna eat them,
Yeah.
right? Yes.
My belly's full.
Let's get started.
You guys want a chip? Lucky me, it's just down here. Let me go get it. Got it. Here it is.
Okay, so Sunshine, should we make your blizzard first or someone else's blizzard first?
Mine.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. What flavor do you want?
M&M.
M&Ms. Well, I got mini M&Ms because I kind of guessed all my kids are gonna want M&M Blizzard. So we're gonna put some of these in a bag and then mash them.
And I'll do the mashing.
We'll do the mashing, okay. We're gonna start with a 1/4 cup. Zip it up.
Oh, there's air in here. Air in these bags.
Yeah, don't get the air because then we'll make it explode.
No air in these bags.
Ooh,
No.
that's a lot. Show them how many M&Ms we're putting in there.
What's mine? And I just did testing, so.
Whoa, that's a lot of M&Ms. Okay, so now we're gonna put it on the counter and Sunshine is gonna mash it up a little
With
bit.
the flat side, not the plain side.
You don't have to go crazy, just a little bit mash it up.
Because most of them are messed up. This is all M&Ms.
I did not get what we needed ready. So, do you wanna try a hand mixer and see if that'll work, or are we just gonna mix it with a spoon?
Hand mixer.
Okay, so we got a bowl.
Because
We're gonna put some ice cream in it and then put those on top. There's some ice cream.
time for the toppings.
Time for the M&Ms.
Let's dump them in. Ooh! Mom, can you go first?
Why?
Because I don't want it to explode on me.
Okay.
Like this thing explode.
I don't think it's working.
Yeah, let's stop that.
Let's just mash it. There we go. That looks like a M&M Blizzard.
Let's try.
Okay.
Yeah.
So should we serve it in a cup?
Vanilla ice cream.
Since that's how Blizzards come?
Yeah.
In a cup?
Yeah. Wait, am I gonna be able to drink this or like?
No, you
Eat it.
eat Blizzards with a spoon.
Can I have some whipped topping? Because I like whipped topping on mine.
Blizzards do not come with whipped topping.
I know, but still, can I have some whipped topping?
Okay. This is what Sunshine's M&M Blizzard looks like. Give it a taste test. Let's see. Does it taste like a real Blizzard? Yummy. Okay, go enjoy your Blizzard. I'm gonna go see who's next.
Okay.
All right, big man, it's your turn. What kind of homemade Blizzard do you want? Do you want M&M?
Cotton candy.
Oh, I don't have any cotton candy.
What do you have?
I have Oreos. I have peanut butter. I have M&Ms.
M&M.
You're gonna have an M&M? All right, you wanna help me mash them? Are you mashing?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, we'll mix it. Should we mix it with a spoon or the mixer?
I call spoon.
Spoon. Naughty, naughty. All right, so just mash it. Like mash the M&Ms into the ice cream.
Not like this.
Not like that.
Well,
So scoop some M&Ms onto the top and then mash them. Do you need some help?
yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to try the mixer or do you want help?
Mixer.
Okay.
Did I push it to 4 or 5?
No, push it to 1. You want help?
Can you help me hold it?
All right, ready? Turn it to 1. Oh, this did better. Okay. Let's just stir it a little bit. All right, we're gonna just mash it with the spoon a little bit because I don't think it quite got it mixed up.
That all for me?
It's your lucky day. All right. How's your homemade Blizzard?
Good.
You like it? All right. Eminem is taking a pass. Her tummy feels sick, and so she doesn't want one. Now I'm gonna make some for me and Dad, and I'm gonna branch out with some other flavors. I'm gonna try to make a peanut butter one, and I'm gonna make an Oreo one. We'll see how these go. So far, the kids say the M&M ones are awesome. Yeah? Do Agatha is? No? So far, Oreo is looking amazing. It is amazing. The flying bowl was unexpected. I think if you didn't have a hand on a camera and you hold the bowl still, that might not happen. This is also really good. I need some chocolate, but I didn't have any chocolate candies. Still good. So Sunshine, how did you like your homemade Blizzard celebration?
I liked it, but there's too many M&Ms, so I had to spit them all out into a different cup.
Ew, you spit them out? That's so gross.
And especially in a clear cup.
Oh, that's so gross.
And it's spitty and yucky and yummy.
Okay,
And I
okay,
want you to
I'm done. I'm not eating it. Just FYI on that.
I'm just
Oh,
kidding.
you don't want to see it. You don't want to see it. I wish I didn't see it. So, are you going to choose a Blizzard celebration again? Should we have Blizzards, homemade Blizzards again? Should
Maybe not water M&Ms, because I know that's a throw.
Do you like Blizzards at Dairy Queen better or homemade Blizzards?
Dairy Queen?
Dairy Queen. But this was fun. Yeah. So, How are you feeling about your next round of tests?
It's math, and I'm really good at math.
So you're feeling pretty confident?
Yeah.
Good. Thank you for being here today, guys. Tell us in the comments below, what is your flavor?
What's your favorite flavor of DQ ice cream?
Blizzard.
Blizzard.
What is your favorite Oh my gosh, I can't say it.
What's your favorite Blizzard? Comment down below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And bye. Bye.